As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and lavender, our day begins its gentle descent into evening. This transition is more than just a passage of time, it's a sacred bridge. How you close the day profoundly affects what tomorrow receives. The energy, the peace, the unresolved tensions, they don't simply vanish at midnight. They are the seeds from which the next morning grows. Let's choose to plant a garden of tranquility. Begin by creating a sanctuary. This simple act of tidying your space, placing a book back on its shelf, folding a blanket, clearing a table, is a powerful ritual. It's an external reflection of an internal desire for clarity. By bringing order to your surroundings, you send a gentle signal to your mind that the day's work is done. It is time to release the clutter, both physical and mental, and welcome a state of calm. Your nighttime emotional tone often carries forward, shaping the landscape of your dreams and the mood of your awakening. To guide this tone toward peace, consider a conversation with yourself. Open a journal and allow your thoughts to flow onto the page. Acknowledge the day's challenges, celebrate its small victories, and give voice to the feelings that linger. This isn't about finding solutions, it's about offering yourself the gift of being heard. Now, anchor yourself in the present moment. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and turn your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly, drawing in peace and stillness. Exhale fully, releasing the day's accumulated stress. Feel the rhythm, the gentle rise and fall. With each breath, you are returning home to yourself, finding your center in the quiet sanctuary you have created within. Evening peace prepares tomorrow. Nurture this peace with a warm, comforting ritual. A cup of herbal tea held in your hands can be a profound act of self-care. Feel its warmth seep into your palms, and as you sip, imagine its soothing properties calming your entire being. Let this simple pleasure be a moment of pure, uncomplicated presence. As you prepare for rest, begin to soften the world around you. Dim the lights, signaling to your body and mind that the time for sleep is approaching. This gentle reduction in light helps regulate your natural circadian rhythm, paving the way for a deeper, more restorative slumber. Before settling in, offer your body one final act of kindness. A few gentle stretches can release the physical tension held in your muscles. Reach for the sky, fold forward softly, twist gently from side to side. Listen to your body moving with intention and care, thanking it for carrying you through the day. Finally, as you slip into bed, cultivate a sense of gratitude. Let your mind drift over one or two things from your day for which you are thankful. It could be a kind word, a moment of beauty, or simply the comfort of your own bed. Let this feeling of appreciation be the final thought you hold. End today gently. By honoring the close of this day, you are lovingly preparing for the dawn of the next.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.